Hi, it's Anna with WTI. If you do any kind of baking, take my word for it, you need these baking mats by DANIA indeed. It comes as a set of two, so you have this really large one right here that I'm kneading some dough. These make a really nice counter space cover so that you can easily knead your dough. There's measurements if you need to have any kind of measurements to see how big to roll things out for. But my favorite part is when you're done, there's no more wiping all that flour off your counter. You just take this thing over to the sink, spray it off, wipe it down, and all of that flour is off. And now you don't have a bunch of sticky dough all over your countertop. It's so nice to be able to use this also as a replacement for parchment paper, which is what I used to use on my cookie sheets. But now I can just lay this thing on, bake it up to 450 degrees, and nothing will stick to this thing. Makes baking cookies a breeze. You put the cookies on, you take them out, and look how easily I'm able to just take these cookies off and put them on the cooling rack. These baking mats have really made baking easier for me. It has made cleanup much easier, which is my least favorite part of baking. So if you do any kind of baking in your house, I highly recommend these. They don't take up any space. You can fold them and they lay flat, so you don't have to worry about something taking up a lot of space. And you won't need parchment paper anymore. This is like a win-win-win. And that's my point of view.